To perform bank reconciliation in Xero, start by navigating to the bank accounts page and selecting the account you want to reconcile. Click on the Reconcile tab and then click on Start Reconcile. Enter the statement date and the ending balance from your bank statement. This information is usually found on your bank statement. Make sure to enter the correct date and balance to ensure an accurate reconciliation. Next, Xero will display a list of all the transactions that have been imported into your account. You will need to match these transactions to the ones on your bank statement. Start by matching the deposits. Then move on to the withdrawals. As you match each transaction, Xero will update the statement balance and the reconciled balance. If there are any transactions that do not match, you will need to investigate and resolve the discrepancy. This could be due to a timing difference or an error in the transaction. Once you have matched all the transactions, review the reconciliation to ensure everything is correct. If the statement balance and the reconciled balance match, you can click on the Reconcile button to complete the process. It is essential to perform bank reconciliation regularly to ensure the accuracy of your financial records. This process helps you identify any discrepancies or errors and correct them in a timely manner. By following these steps and using Xero's bank reconciliation tool, you can easily and efficiently reconcile your bank accounts and maintain accurate financial records. Regular bank reconciliation also helps you stay on top of your cash flow and make informed business decisions. It is a crucial part of maintaining a healthy and accurate accounting system. And Xero makes it easy to do so. By performing bank reconciliation in Xero, you can ensure that your financial records are accurate, up to date, and reliable. This helps you stay in control of your finances and make informed decisions about your business.